Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belinda Brooke for those who are new. So today, make my baby's food with me. He's having some potatoes and boiled eggs. So let's cook together. So first thing I did was peel my potatoes and washed them. These are the potatoes peeled and well cleaned. I cut them into quarters to fasten the cooking process. So there they are, very nicely cut. Then I put them on fire. That's me adding some water to boil. So just enough water. I also needed that. Can I call it soup? So these are my potatoes boiling. Yeah. As they do so, I'm also preparing water. This is my water to boil the eggs. Okay, so I gave them like 10 to 15 minutes later. My eggs were well boiled and my potatoes were also well cooked. So this is I think 15 minutes later. I'm testing whether the potatoes are soft enough. They are very okay. And my eggs are also well boiled. I've put them in cold water to cool. Yes, so I just served enough for him. I served, then I'm mashing. You can use a blender or you just mash. A friend advised me not to be blending baby's food. There are some food I blend, of course, but mostly nowadays I try mashing instead of blending. Ndio azoe asikuwe na hiyo, can I call it gag reflex, when he finally starts eating hard food. So yeah, I'm mashing the potatoes. Mashing. I said you can use a blender, but personally I don't like using the blender so much nowadays, unless I'm making his fruits, which I have to blend, of course. And now after that, my eggs are well peeled. We'll be using the yolk, not the egg white. So just cut my eggs into twos. Then I take out the yolk. That's what you're using for this recipe. The yolk is very nutritious, by the way. This is what I introduced him. When I was introducing him to eggs, I used the yolk. And there's this 3-day rule where when introducing a certain food, a new food to your baby, you give him that food for 3 days. I learned it somewhere. So I gave him eggs for 3 days. Like today I give him eggs, tomorrow and the third day, just to observe if there are allergies, if he'll have some reactions, to know whether he's allergic to that specific food or not. Right now we've introduced him to eggs, meat, fish. At least those are the few foods which I know can make someone have allergic reactions that he has not reacted to. So after mashing, you can add either breast milk or formula. I don't pump my breast milk, so I've used the soup from the potatoes. So I don't have breast milk because I don't pump. That's why I'm using that soup. If I had, maybe I'd have used the breast milk. Yes, so here you just add the milk or formula or soup to your liking, to the consistency that you want. My baby ukimpea very thick food, he tends to want to puke, so I like giving him ikiwa watery kidogo tu, not so much. So that's why I've added more soup. I don't know if it's soup, guys. Broth. Potato broth, whatever. Yeah. Oh, and guys, I didn't add any salt to his food. So this is our food. Well done. Eggs and potatoes, well done. So we're just going to give baby, it's warm enough, not cold, warm vizuri, that he'll enjoy eating. So this is my baby, I'm feeding him. Okay, he likes playing, so like he wanted to play with the dish, that's why I'm holding his hands, just so I have an easy time feeding him. He enjoyed the food, he enjoyed the meal so much. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next one. Kindly subscribe if you haven't yet, like, share, leave a comment down below, share with me the recipes that you make for your baby so that I also try. Hopefully I'll be sharing more of what to eat, but majorly I tend to give him what to eat, unless if it's something that he cannot eat. Like this day we were having ugali and mala. He cannot eat that obviously, so that's why I made him his own food. But if it's something he can eat that I've cooked, that's what he eats. Only that now I put very little salt in the food. His kidneys are not so developed, so too much salt is not good for babies. Thank you so much guys. Bye.